today after crushing fruits for my Patreon account. So if you want to join, just go to my channel description and then you can join the Patreon membership. So today this is my outfit and I'm wearing now these high heels with strap. So I'm driving from the city and I'm just also home, and this is my outfit and I'm gonna walk. Hi again, it's me. So now I'm going to slowly take off my heels. I still have an orange fruit in my feet because I do crushing video today, so that's why the foot of this one is with orange. So if you want to watch crushing video, you can also go to my Patreon account, and there it goes. We are barefoot now, so I have my flip-flops next to me and I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside and